must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. Scratching, scratching, you must answer. Body need scratching, no. Servicing, servicing. You must say yes, just like a motor. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. Yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you.
Your sister and I are in no sex deal till our wedding night.
Your wedding is in 3 months' time.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Because I want her to look all fresh and not really fresh, tight, smooth. I want it to look like we just started, till the D-Day.
Meaning that she will not be spending the night till your wedding night.
Something like that.
That's nice. So that means I can sneak in to spend more time with you.
Where will you tell her that you'll be going?
There are so many places to tell her that I can go to. I can go to the church. I have a lot of places I can tell her. And she will not even suspect me. That's the most beautiful part of it.
You're just a bad, good girl. Sorry. Good bad girl.
This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle nobody, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling.
It's 3 days away to our wedding. So I think it's high time you got yourself a boyfriend. Yeah.
A boyfriend?
Yeah.
I don't need a boyfriend. It's you I want.
Of course you need a boyfriend, darling. Once I get married to your sister, there won't be any need for us to see each other again.
I'm actually trying to know if my sister is going to allow me move in with her into your matrimonial home. But she's insisting that I stay here. She's even saying she's going to bring my brother Uchechi to come and join me.
She's doing the right thing, because me, I will not allow it. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Look, we can't.
Maybe you'll be coming to see me from time to time.
That's if only your sister is aware that I'm coming. If not, I will not come.
Are you trying to tell me that after your marriage, it is over between us?
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This is the time for you to get yourself a boyfriend. Okay? So I can concentrate on my marriage with your sister. I mean, there won't be any point of this hide and seek thing we are doing. It's not necessary. So, you have to get yourself a boyfriend. Okay? I have to be very faithful to my wife. Yeah. Once I go on that altar, that is it. Meanwhile, check your phone while we're making out. I think you're getting series of calls. Check, that might be your sister.
The phone has stopped ringing.
Stop doing that. Brighten your face. I just said the truth. That's the best thing for us to do. Check your phone.
She's the one. She's been calling me.
I said it.
Let me call her back. Hello, sister. Good afternoon.
Where did you leave your phone? I have been calling you.
Sister, my phone was in the kitchen, and I was in the sitting room watching the TV. Yes.
Never mind, never mind. I'm almost home.
Huh? You are almost home.
Yes.
Now, okay, sister. Okay.
This girl.
Almost home. She would have caught me. Almost home. Almost home.
Body no wonder. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body, wahala go there. You need some some romance, some ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no wonder. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. Scratch it. You must answer. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. Your body want to ebonge. You must answer. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. Body don't hot to. You must answer. See fire. You must say yes. Desire. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. Scratching. You must answer. Body needs scratching, no. Servicing. You must say yes. Just like a motor. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you. Body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch.
So tight.
Sister, are you back? Yes, I am.
Is anybody here with you?
No.
I feel the scent of a man.
A man? Me, sister.
Oh no, it's not what you're thinking. I meant to ask. He can come here because I can literally smell him.
Did you ask him to come here?
Oh, you mean he didn't come here?
I've not seen him yet.
His presence is so strong here, like I can literally smell him. Okay. Come on. What did you make? Guys, Sandy! Guys!
If I didn't remind that girl to check her phone, Rose would have caught us pants down. Hey, what could I have told my chi? That my wife-to-be caught me with her younger sister 3 days to our wedding. Hey, Jesus, thank you. That shows that even in my unfaithfulness, you still love me. Thank you for saving me from this shame.
Body be like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you. Body no one know. When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you. Body no one know. This is not a prayer.
Not today. Tomorrow is my wedding with your sister. We could get caught, and that would be the end of it. We almost got caught 2 days ago.
Why are you sounding as if I came here on my own accord? My sister asked me to bring her things to your house.
Oh. Rose is not even helping matters at all.
That's because she trusts her younger sister so much.
Trust? Please just go in there and do whatever she asks you to come do here and run back to her.
Are you trying to get rid of me just like that? After all we shared?
Shared? Whatever we shared was not meant to be. And that's the main reason we have to stop. We just have to stop. Sandy, listen up. Because you understand what I'm trying to tell you, you have to take it. Sandy, you really have to be like this.
As if I am not human.
Sandy, what we shared is illegal. The chances of jeopardizing my marriage with your sister are very high. Can't you see reasons with me?
I knew it. I knew it. I knew you never loved me. I knew it that when you are done with me, you would just trash me out like a piece of shit. I knew you were just taking advantage of my weakness.
How could you say a thing like that? Were you not the one that told me that you would not do anything to hurt your sister? Were you not the one that promised me that whatever thing we shared will not have effect in our marriage?
Is that why you want to throw me out like a piece of shit?
I am not throwing you out like a piece of shit. I'm only trying to make you understand that we need to do the right thing. We need to stop what we are doing.
Fine. Fine. If you want to do the right thing, then just grant me this wish. Just one more night. And I promise you I will not disturb you again.
That is not going to be possible.
It's possible.
We have fixed it and it's now working very well. I can even on it now for you to see.
See, normally I'm not supposed to be playing this hide and seek on my wedding night. I should be with my wife now.
I know. See, I don't know what is wrong with me. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with you.
Hey, no. You have to be fast, and this will be the last one. I can't be doing this, please.
It's okay. I know. Let's just make this one count.
Make what count? You don't even feel anything. Hey, we have to be fast. I need to run back to my wife. Where is my gift?
What? Okay. Oh, the gift. It's in the wardrobe. I'll give it to you for you. I'm going to miss you so much.
Listen, this is going to be the last. I can never try this again. I will arrange my best man for you, Joe. Joe is a very nice guy. Trust me. I already told him about you when he was bringing us back here. So I believe he's going to treat you well. He's a nice man. Okay? But for you and I, it's over. I just did what I did because I will not go further. Please.
Let's do semi-last one.
No, what is your problem? Don't you listen? What do you mean semi-last one? Joe will give you everything. Okay? He's going to treat you fine. That is who you need right now. I'm married. Don't forget that. To your sister.
Okay, last kiss.
Hey.
Last kiss.
So, that was how it happened. I'm not trying to justify my actions. What I did was bad in the sight of God and that of men. I didn't intentionally go after your sister. It was circumstances beyond my control that brought us together. Please, Rose. Please. We have gone too far to quit. Please don't break this marriage. I'm deeply sorry for everything. I would have controlled myself. Please.
Are you done talking now?
My daughter, Rose, we all have heard him. We have heard the story. You contributed to this. The trust you had on your sister led you into giving your man an unnecessary platform to rule your marriage. Please, my daughter, to err is human, but to forgive is divine. Let bygone be bygone. From now, build your home with your eyes wide open. Trust no one. Biko, forgive him.
Mama, you don't talking.
Yes. I believe you will listen to me. I am your mother. I carried you in the womb for 9 good months. I breastfeed you. If you don't listen to me, who else will you do? Please, look at this young man. Have mercy. Find a place in your heart to forgive him. Forgive him.
Sister, please. Please forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please forgive your husband too. It's not his fault, it's my fault. I lured him into all this. Sister, I'm swearing to you in presence of everybody that any day I would think of such immoral act again. Let fire from heaven burn me to ashes. Sister, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, sister.
Are you done talking, Sandra?
Yes, sister. Yes.
Uche, do you have anything to say?
What will I say that is better than what has already been said? Please forgive her.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I've heard everybody. I mean, I've heard you all. And yes, I lured you into this error. I did. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Sandra, I'm also sorry that I trusted you beyond your abilities. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. I honestly hold no grudges against you two. Like, no grudges at all. None whatsoever. Bearing in mind, Sandra, that as Mama lives for the village, you live with her. And Ken, I can't be married to a man who slept with my kid's sister countless times. I can't. And even though I've forgiven you, that stigma will always be there. I can't. And for that reason, it's officially over between us.
Rose, where are you going to? Rose, come back here. Rose. Hurry. My son, sit down.
I can't be married to a man who slept with my kid's sister countless times. I can't. And even though I've forgiven you, that stigma will always be there. I can't. And for that reason, it's officially over between us. Eh?
Okay, are you mad? What are you driving now? Tell me, what are you driving? What do you mean? Sorry, you there. Mugu. Go and learn how to drive, okay? Go and learn how. Fool. Nonsense. Useless man. Nonsense. What? You're a fool, okay?
Best gift God has given to me.
You can say that again. You're lucky, man.
No, I am not lucky. I am blessed.
Blessed are thou, Ken.
You see, I have prayed to God all my life to send me a perfect life partner. I prayed to Almighty God to give me that woman that will give me peace of mind. I prayed to Him to give me that woman that I will go gray with. I prayed to God to give me the love of my life, the woman after my heart. And God sent me Rose. Rose is that woman I call complete package. She has everything I need in a woman and even more. Now tell me, Joe, am I not blessed?
I'm not disputing the fact. But you see, in as much as I'm happy for you, I still do not want you to dwell in deception.
What do you mean dwell in deception?
Yes. Like you said, she is a total package. But I want to tell you something. There are 1,000,001 roses everywhere. Even better than the rose you're talking about.
Lies. Do you know what I've passed through in the hands of women? You have no idea. There is no woman like Rose in this world. Yes.
But are you trying to tell me if this marriage crashes, if it did not work, you'll remain unmarried all your life? Or possibly you remain single because you did not marry Rose? When there are millions of roses everywhere, beautiful roses. I don't get it.
Take this off. Here. Here. Okay, perfect. I just told you to clean off that nonsense you just said now. Right? Complete madman. You are a madman. There is no one like Rose. And there is no way anything will happen to our relationship. My relationship with Rose is for better and for worse. You better don't say that. Without Rose, I'm not sure I can survive, bro.
I'm not dissuading you, but I'm just trying to be real here, you know. When you talk too much about a woman, like your life depends on her.
Yeah, because I know.
The right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I know I hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake.
Okay.
Forgive me for all time's sake.
Joe, Please, I need you to come to the house now.
I could die. I hate to see tears in your eyes. I never planned it. I don't understand it. I feel so ashamed of myself. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. For all time's sake. Please forgive me. It's an honest mistake. Baby, you know I never will hurt you. You know I can't live without you. I'm not too proud to beg. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. And you have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. I'm sorry, forgive me for all time's sake.
So how did it go? Did she accept your apology?
I'm not sure I can ever survive this.
You can. You can. Don't talk like that. You can survive it. So what did she say?
I ruined my marriage with my own hands. She said she has forgiven me, but will never have anything to do with a man that slept with her sister countless times. This is too much to bear.
Ken, take it easy on yourself, okay? Take it easy. Like I told you the other day, stop living in a life of fantasy. There are thousands of roses out there. Just pull yourself together and you'll be fine. Believe me.
There's no one like my Rose. No one.
Ken, trust me. This is not the end of the world. You might even find someone much better than Rose. Cheer up, man. Pull yourself together. Let's go hang out. I want to take you out. Let me spoil you lavishly. Hey. You can't continue like this now. Come on, eh? Let's go have fun. That would even help. I mean, you offload your head now, eh? Too many thoughts in the head. Ken? Ken?
You have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I know I hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. For all time's sake. I feel so sad. I wish I could die. I hate to see.
Hello, sister. My phone was on silent. I was inside charging it. No, I was at the balcony. I did not knock. Oh. I was trying to avoid disturbing him. Yes, I've given it to him. I'm on my way home now. Okay, sister. Okay. Oh, bye-bye. Oh. Bye.
Hi, Sandy. Hi, Sandy. How are you?
I'm okay. And you?
I'm fine. I was behind you in the church the other day, but when I could come out, you were gone.
Oh, I had something I needed to do in the house, so I left in a hurry.
Nice one. So what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
This place is my brother-in-law's house now, the man that wants to marry my sister.
That's very good. Nice one. Wow. So would you mind if I have your number?
How many times will I give you my number? I thought I gave you in the last church conference.
I'm sorry. I've called you 2 times, but you didn't pick. Besides, I lost my phone. I just got a new phone. Don't mind me, huh? Just please, I won't lose it this time around.
Give me, let me just give you. You bought a new phone.
Yeah.
This one does not look like a new phone. Take, if you like, lose this one again.
No, I won't lose it again. Okay, thank you. I will give you a call.
When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something, oh. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body,
Hi, Sandy.
Mickey, what are you doing here?
I have been calling you line. I've been calling you phone, but you're not picking. You keep ignoring my calls. Why?
As what? You've been calling my phone as my boyfriend or as my husband. What is wrong with you? Mickey, I've told you countless times that we cannot have anything together. Can't you get that into your head? You think I don't know people like you? You're looking for somebody to have an affair with and run away, Abby?
See, and what makes you think I will not get married to you? I really want you.
Did I, Sandra, tell you that I want to get married to you?
Neither do I want to have an affair with you, Sandy. Understand what I'm saying? Sandy, all I want is your heart. I really want a serious relationship with you. I want something very serious with you. That's it.
Are you not a confused woman being? You do not want to have an affair with me. Yet you want something serious with me. What is wrong with you, Mickey? You are just a confused person.
Sandy, you know I really love you. I really want to be with you. I am not just saying all this to, make you feel as if I'm lying to you. What I'm telling you is reality. I want to be with you.
Serious relationship?
Yes.
With this your one-sided earring. So I should be in a serious relationship with you that is not even serious with yourself. See your China popping necklace they are putting on. Please, I beg you. Let me not insult you this afternoon. Pack your things and just leave my sister's house. I'm begging you. See, don't knock on this door again. Because if my sister comes, she won't like it. Don't knock on this door again.
body be like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling.
My daughter, I would have come, but I decided to call you so we can talk about it. Yes.
Mama, please. If it's about how much the catechist wants me to marry his son, count me out. I am not interested. Huh?
No, it's far from that. I had a dream, and it has to do with you and your sister.
Did anything happen to us in the dream?
Not really, my dear. But you have to pray so that what I saw in that dream will not happen.
Mama, what did you see in the dream?
My daughter, in that dream, it was your sister's wedding day. But you are the one wearing the wedding gown. And your sister sat afar, crying.
God forbid. God forbid.
You know my dream.
God forbid. Mama, did you see who I was getting married to?
No, I did not see any man. But my daughter, I beg you in the name of God, whatever that will bring problem, quarrel or fight between you and your sister, avoid it. Be careful.
I've heard you, Mama. I'll be very careful. I will not allow anything come between me and my sister.
Promise me.
I promise you.
Cross your heart.
Yes. I cross my heart.
Good. You know I'm always afraid of my dream. Thank you. You say you don't want to eat anything.
I'm watching my weight, Mama. I told you I want the cheapest meat dress to fit me well.
You and your fashion. And that is why you cannot eat. You no longer eat the way you used to swallow my food. Sandy. Aya adikwa egwu mbosi ahụ. Obodo ya agbabikwa ebuwa. Ịmakwuru no mma nwaanyị. Nwa mo. Please, you've heard me, eh? Thank you.
Was she talking about Ken and I? I have to be careful. Mama's dreams come to pass. I will not call you my in-law until I am done with you. I came to see Mama. She's fine. Eh? What did you say? Ha! We need to look for something to tell my sister. Else she will not allow me come. Maybe you should tell her that I need to come and sign a guarantor form for you or something. That's the only way she will allow me. Okay, I have to go. Mama is around the corner. I don't know where she is. Okay, bye. Bye.
This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle nobody, wahala go there. You need some some romance, some some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no one know. Scratch it. You must answer. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no one know. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no one know.
much for the ride.
Yeah.
Bye.
So hold on. You mean you don't want to have a date with me?
A date with you? As what?
As a new found bosom friend. Even the priest is aware.
Well, sorry. I don't go out on a date. I'm a born-again Christian, so I don't do boyfriends.
Yeah. I'm not a pagan either. I don't know. I'm serious about you. I care about you from the depth of my heart. And I want us to align and be man and woman.
Sorry to burst your bubble. I don't do boyfriends. I'm a born-again Christian. Yes, I abstain from anything that will cause problem between me and God. Because God is too faithful to me. So this is what I want to do for him, to keep myself till marriage. So I'm keeping myself for my husband. I'm so sorry.
I understand. I mean, you want to keep your faith. I'm not disputing the fact. I believe in God too. And I'm sincere here. For real, I'm not coming to play with your heart. Okay? I want to protect your heart. I want to keep it.
I'm sorry. I cannot go out with you. Like I said before, I'm keeping myself for my husband. I'm a born-again Christian. I am very, very strong with my faith. I'm so sorry. Thank you for the ride. God bless you. Remain blessed. Bye.
Wow. Born-again Christian. Kakwa Jim. How? I'm real. And I know God will touch your heart. Because I know I love you so much. I won't give up. I won't give up. For real. I won't give up.
Your body want to ebonge, you must answer. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no one know. Hey, body don't hot to. You must answer. See fire. You must say yes. Desire. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you. Body no one know. Scratching. You must answer. Body needs scratching, no. Servicing. You must say yes. Just like a motor. Nothing where you.
Oh, you can leave now. Thank you.
See, normally I'm not supposed to be playing this hide and seek on my wedding night. I should be with my wife now.
I know. See, I don't know what is wrong with me. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with you.
Hey, no. You have to be fast, and this will be the last one. I can't be doing this, please.